Thanks.
Dare I ask?
What?
You've been pretty quiet.
Nah, just... Museum brought back some stuff.
Stuff?
Memories. Coast Guard experiences.
Why did you quit? Really?
I was on this one rescue, if you can call it that. There was this fishing boat, fairly good-sized trawler. We suspected they were running Cuban refugees. Stopped them for a routine inspection. Searched the boat, all that. Didn't find anything. Turns out they'd been tipped off we were coming. Lashed the illegals together and sent them to the bottom. Still alive. We only found out because the weight came untied. They were all bloated and shit.
Oh my God.
I still see them. Bad shit happens out there. People have no idea.
What did I say? I'm happy right here on dry land, thanks.
Those people that disappeared, did you know any of them?
Out-of-towners, mostly. Why?
You said you'd show me Veronica Chandler's place?
What? Right now?